Should I wear this or this?
Why can't you just wear what you're wearing?
I'm meeting him after a month.
You haven't met mom, dad in a month.
So, I'm not gonna wear something so plain.
But if you were meeting someone else, you would have worn this, right? Then why dress up for Samir?
Relax, not everything has to become an argument. I wanna wear a dress, big deal.
That's okay, but I don't get the concept of dressing up or looking better for a man.
I'm not dressing up for Samir. I just wanted to wear something different.
You can do so much better than him, Aparna.
What? Stop it. I'm not asking you to like him.
He can't even spell your name, Aparna. Does he even know what you're studying? Hello?
Pass me my phone.
He's calling.
Hello.
Does he pay for you every time you guys go out?
No, why?
Nothing. Would you be okay if he did?
I haven't thought about it.
What have you thought about Aparna? You know, it would really bother me if my boyfriend paid every time we went out.
I'm not you, Srishti.
I'm not asking you to be mean.
Then why are you asking me these stupid questions?
Because I'm your sister and I want to know.
Fine, if you want to know, I think I'll be okay with Samir paying for me. I know he will be okay with it, and I'm not working right now.
I'm sure he feels superior to you just because he gets to pay for you on your dinners and clothes and I don't even know what.
It's all in your head. Stop thinking so much.
Fine. I don't think there's any point discussing this with you. It's not like you listen.
And you don't find listeners.
Excuse me?
It's true. You treat everything like a debate or an argument. That's why no guy wants to be with you.
And that would bother me because if somebody doesn't want to be with me or listen to me, so be it. I can't change who I am.
But you're an extremist. You have a problem with every joke because it's too unfair or sexist or crude. You don't spend enough money because people don't have it. And you cry for days with somebody else's problem.
I can't be so detached. That's not me.
I'm not asking you to be detached. It's just that you can't fight a cause a day. And Samir is definitely not something you need to fight against. Just let it be.
I can't let it be. That's not me.
Then suit yourself.
Okay. I'm not against Samir, Aparna. It's just that I don't like men who expect their women or wives or girlfriends to act in a certain way.
Then you don't have to be with someone like that. Does not mean you start controlling everybody else's lives around you. Can you pass me my bag?
On the front lobe of my left side brain, I knew I would.
Hi. I'll just be down. How do I look? Is my hair okay? Okay, fine, I'm sorry.
You look good. You always look good. Have a good time.